Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and that your iPhone is nearby. This improves speed and accuracy. Next, enable Siri on both devices so requests sync correctly. Decide how you want to trigger Siri, raise to speak, say, "Hey Siri," or press the digital crown. Once done, practice a simple command like set a 5-minute timer so you confirm audio and response behavior immediately and understand the basic flow. Now continue into the detailed execution. When you invoke Siri, speak clearly and use concise phrases because the watch has limited processing. Short commands reduce recognition errors. Use contextual commands for apps you use most, ask for directions, start a workout, or send a message, because Siri leverages app context to act faster. If you need multiple actions, chain them logically. For example, say, "Remind me to leave at 5" and set a 10-minute timer, and Siri will handle both steps. Finish by confirming outcomes and knowing a key troubleshooting tip. Verify Siri completed each task. Look at the notification or app to confirm. If something is incomplete, repeat the command more slowly. If Siri doesn't respond, check the microphone and any case or screen protector that might block sound, and then restart your watch and iPhone. If problems persist, update Watch OS and iOS and toggle Siri off and on to reset its configuration, because software updates often resolve recognition and connectivity bugs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.